In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create automated birthday campaign with Mailchimp. To begin, open your browser and log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your account details as you normally would, but make sure not to share or display any private login information while recording or presenting your screen. Once you are signed in, take a moment to let the Mailchimp dashboard fully load. This is where you will manage your audience, campaigns, and automations, so it is the starting point for creating your birthday email journey. Depending on your Mailchimp layout, this may appear on the left side of the screen with the other main tools. Click the Automate icon to open the Automation section. This area is where Mailchimp lets you set up emails that send automatically based on specific customer actions, dates, or profile details. After you open the Automate section, look for the option to create a new automation. Click Create. This will take you to the Setup area where you can choose the type of automated experience you want to build. Since the goal is to send a birthday message automatically, you will be using a journey that starts when a birthday date is reached. Next, select Customer Journey and then choose Build from Scratch. Building from scratch gives you control over the exact starting point and action in the automation. This is useful because a birthday campaign usually needs a very specific trigger, such as the Contact Birthday field in your audience. Once you choose this option, Mailchimp will open the Journey Builder, where you can define how the automation should begin. Now you will choose the audience for this birthday campaign. Select the audience that contains the contacts who have birthday information saved in their profiles. This is important because Mailchimp needs that birthday field in order to know when to start the automation for each contact. After selecting the correct audience, set the starting point to birthday. This tells Mailchimp that the journey should begin based on the birthday date stored for each person in that audience. Once the birthday starting point is selected, you will need to configure the trigger settings. This is where you decide exactly when the birthday email should be sent. For example, you can set it to send on the contact birthday, or you can choose to send it a certain number of days before the birthday. Sending on the birthday is good for a direct greeting, while sending before the birthday can be useful if you are sharing an offer that the person may want to use ahead of time. Choose the timing that best fits the purpose of your campaign. After the trigger settings look correct, click Save Starting Point. This confirms the rule that will start the automation. At this point, you have created the condition that tells Mailchimp when each contact should enter the journey. The next part is deciding what Mailchimp should do once that contact enters. Now add a Send Email action to the journey. This action is what actually sends the birthday message to the contact. In the Journey Builder, choose the option to add an action and select Send Email. This places an email step into the journey after the birthday starting point. The flow should now show that when the birthday trigger is met, Mailchimp will move the contact into the email action. Next, design your email content. Open the email action and create the message you want your contacts to receive. You can add a birthday greeting, customize the subject line, and include any content that fits your campaign. Keep the design clear and friendly, and make sure the message matches your brand. Before moving forward, review the email carefully so the layout, text, and links are correct. Once the starting point is saved, the email action is added, and the email content is ready, you can activate the automation. Click Turn On to make the customer journey live. After it is turned on, Mailchimp will begin sending the birthday email automatically based on the trigger settings you selected. And that is all there is to it. You have now created an automated birthday campaign in Mailchimp using a customer journey.